The ocean roars, the chase begins. In the vast blue, a predator and its prey are locked in a dance as old as time itself. This is a story of survival, of a hunt in the deep, where the hunter and the hunted play out a drama that's been unfolding for millions of years. A shark, the apex predator of the sea, is on the prowl. It's a creature of power and grace, moving silently through the water, its eyes alert, its senses tuned to the slightest hint of its next meal. The shark is more than just a hunter. It's an integral part of the intricate web of life that makes up the marine ecosystem. As a top predator, it plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of this underwater world. It keeps the populations of other species in check, preventing any one species from dominating and upsetting the equilibrium. Just imagine a world without sharks. It would be a world out of balance, where some species would multiply unchecked, devouring resources and disrupting the harmony of the marine ecosystem. The absence of these majestic creatures would send ripples of change through the food chain, affecting every creature in the ocean, from the tiniest plankton to the largest whale. But the shark is not invincible. It too is part of the cycle of life, a cycle that has been unbroken for millions of years. It hunts and is hunted, it lives and it dies, and in doing so it contributes to the health of the ocean. In this dance of life and death, the shark is a pivotal player. It's a testament to the power of nature, to the resilience of life, and to the intricate balance that exists in our world. It's a symbol of the wild, untamed beauty of the ocean, and a reminder of our responsibility to protect and preserve this precious ecosystem. As the dust settles, the victor swims into the abyss, a testament to the unyielding cycle of life. Beyond the surface, beneath the rolling waves, lies a world of silent majesty, where the shark reigns supreme. Here, in the emerald deep, the shark is a creature of grace and power. These are not mindless predators, but intelligent and complex beings. Each species carries a unique tale, a testament to evolution's grand design. Take the great white, the ocean's most formidable predator. Its strength is only surpassed by its intelligence. It can detect a single drop of blood in 25 million drops of water and can sense the electrical field produced by a heartbeat. It's a master of its domain, a perfect balance of power and precision. Then there's the leopard shark, a creature of elusive beauty. Unlike its larger cousin, this shark is a bottom dweller, its sleek body adorned with a stunning pattern befitting its name. It's a gentle creature, more interested in clams and crustaceans than the thrill of the hunt. Or consider the hammerhead with its peculiar silhouette. This shark's wide-set eyes give it a panoramic view of its surroundings, an edge in the underwater world. And its head, shaped like a wing, allows it to maneuver with surprising agility. However, it's not just about these individual marvels. It's about the role they play in the grand scheme of things. As apex predators, sharks keep the ocean's intricate web of life in check. They control populations of other species, preventing any one group from overwhelming the delicate balance. They're custodians of biodiversity, maintaining the health of the very oceans that cover over 70% of our planet. So the next time you gaze out at the ocean, remember the beauty that lies beneath. Think of the shark, not as a beast to fear, but as a vital part of a world we're only just beginning to understand. In the grand tapestry of the ocean, every thread counts, and the shark, it weaves its own tale. The ocean whispers, but some listen. Among them, the marine biologists, the guardians of the deep. They are our interpreters, translating the mysteries of the ocean into knowledge we can grasp. These scientists spend countless hours studying California's diverse shark species, from the mighty great white, the ocean's most iconic predator, to the leopard shark, a creature as elusive as it is beautiful. Their work is not merely about understanding these creatures, but about revealing their importance in the grand scheme of the ocean's intricate ecosystem. Marine biologists have discovered that sharks, as apex predators, play a critical role in maintaining the health of our oceans. They keep prey populations in check, preventing them from overrunning the ecosystem and causing irreversible damage. Without sharks, the balance of life beneath the waves could be lost. Yet these researchers are not just observers, they are also advocates, using their findings to challenge negative stereotypes and change our perceptions of these misunderstood creatures. Through their research, they show us that sharks are not mindless killing machines, but intelligent and complex creatures that deserve our respect and protection. Their studies also shed light on the threats sharks face. Overfishing, habitat destruction, and bycatch are all taking a toll on shark populations. The biologist's work is a stark reminder that our actions have consequences, even in the depths of the ocean. But amidst the challenges, there is hope. These scientists are leading the way in shark conservation efforts, working tirelessly to protect these magnificent creatures and their habitats. Their dedication is a testament to the power of knowledge and the importance of scientific research in preserving our planet's natural wonders. In the pursuit of knowledge, we become stewards of the sea, protectors of the deep. As we listen to the voices of the ocean, we learn to understand, to respect, and ultimately, to protect. And the voices of the deep, the voices of the sharks and those who study them, continue to whisper, guiding us towards a future where humans and sharks coexist in harmony. In the realm of the shark, a diver finds a connection, a shared respect born of mutual survival. Imagine the feeling of being submerged in the deep blue sea, surrounded by an array of colors and underwater life. Suddenly, a sleek figure cuts through the water, its presence commanding and awe-inspiring. This is the world of our diver, a realm where man and shark coexist. Our diver is a seasoned explorer of the deep, a person who has looked into the eyes of a shark and found not a mindless predator but a complex creature, a fellow survivor in the vast expanse of the ocean. With every encounter, they've come to understand the sharks not as a threat, but as a vital part of the marine ecosystem. With a sense of wonder and respect, they recall their first close encounter. The shark, a magnificent great white, was curious, circling slowly, studying this unfamiliar creature in its domain. There was no aggression, only curiosity. In that moment, a bond was formed, a bond born of mutual respect and understanding. In the heart of the sea, they've seen sharks in their natural behavior, watched as they hunted, played, and even socialized with other marine life. These experiences have given them a profound appreciation for these creatures, an appreciation that goes beyond fear and misconceptions. Our diver's tale is not just about the thrill of diving with sharks. It's a story of discovery, of understanding, and of respect. They've come to realize that sharks are not the mindless killing machines they are often portrayed to be. They are intelligent, they are graceful, and they are crucial to the health of our oceans. Their experiences have changed them, made them an advocate for these misunderstood creatures. They've learned that in the heart of the ocean, in the realm of the shark, we are not the masters. We are simply visitors, privileged to witness the beauty and complexity of life beneath the waves. In the heart of the ocean, we find more than just life. We find understanding, a shared bond. In a world out of balance, the shark faces challenges unseen, threats unspoken. Sharks, the apex predators of the ocean, stand as silent sentinels in a world that's rapidly changing. Hidden beneath the waves, they're confronting an array of threats that jeopardize their very existence. Chief among these threats is overfishing. Each year, tens of millions of sharks are caught, their fins coveted for soup, their meat for consumption. This relentless pursuit leaves many species vulnerable, their numbers dwindling faster than they can replenish. But it's not just overfishing that poses a challenge. The destruction of vital habitats also takes a heavy toll. As coastal development accelerates, the mangroves and coral reefs that serve as nurseries for young sharks are disappearing. In a world increasingly dominated by concrete and steel, these crucial habitats are being lost, their vibrant ecosystems silenced. And then, there's the specter of climate change. The oceans are warming, acidifying, their delicate balance disrupted. For sharks, these changes can alter food availability, breeding patterns, even survival rates. In a world where every degree matters, the future of the shark hangs in the balance. But amidst the threats, there are those who refuse to stand by. Conservationists, marine biologists, and everyday citizens are stepping up, their work a beacon of hope in a troubled sea. They're studying shark behavior, advocating for stronger fishing regulations, restoring habitats, and raising awareness about the crucial role sharks play in our oceans. Their message is clear. To save the shark is to save the ocean itself. In the face of adversity, the shark endures, a symbol of resilience in a changing world. Silent, unseen, they face these threats with a stoic resolve, their survival a testament to the enduring power of nature. And as we strive to protect these magnificent creatures, we're reminded of our own role in this interconnected world. Because in the end, the fate of the shark is inexorably tied to our own. In the shadow of despair, hope shines brightest. And it shines on the shark, the king of the California coast. Now let's turn our attention to the warriors in the front line, those who are fighting tooth and nail to ensure the survival of these majestic creatures. In the heart of California, we find organizations striving to protect our oceans and the sharks that call them home. These are not just groups of people. They are communities bound by a common love for the sea and its inhabitants. Their efforts range from education and advocacy to direct action and policy change. Take the Pacific Shark Research Center, for instance, a hub of scientific exploration and discovery. Here, researchers spend countless hours studying shark behavior, tracking their movements, and unraveling the mysteries of these elusive creatures. Every bit of knowledge gained is a step towards understanding and ultimately protecting these kings of the coast. Then we find the Ocean Conservancy, an organization dedicated to protecting our oceans from the biggest threats they face. They work tirelessly to combat overfishing, climate change, and pollution, all of which pose significant threats to shark populations. Their work is not easy, but they do it with unyielding commitment and unwavering hope. We also have groups like the Surfrider Foundation, a grassroots organization with a mission to protect and enjoy our world's oceans and beaches. They advocate for clean water, coastal preservation, and the protection of marine ecosystems, including our beloved sharks. These are just a few examples of the many organizations making a difference. Each one, in its own unique way, is offering a glimmer of hope for the future of sharks and the health of our oceans. It's a future where humans and sharks coexist, where the balance of the ocean ecosystem is maintained, and where the beauty of the underwater world is preserved for generations to come. In the fight for survival, we stand together. For the shark, for the ocean, for our future. The ocean calls, a plea for help. Will you answer? As we delve deeper into the underwater world of California's sharks, we realize that their survival is not just about them, but about the health and balance of our entire ocean ecosystem. These magnificent creatures, from the awe-inspiring great white to the elusive leopard shark, are more than just the kings of the Californian waters. They are the guardians of a delicate balance, the apex predators that keep populations in check and ensure the vitality of our seas. Yet they face threats that could tip this balance. Overfishing, habitat destruction, and bycatch are just a few of the challenges they face. We must understand that these threats to sharks are ultimately threats to us. The question then is not whether we can afford to protect sharks, but whether we can afford not to. Reducing our carbon footprint, adopting sustainable fishing practices, supporting conservation organizations. These are just some of the ways we can answer the ocean's call. Every individual action matters. Even small changes in our daily lives, like reducing our plastic waste or choosing seafood from sustainable sources, can make a difference. We can also lend our voices to the cause, raising awareness about the importance of sharks and the threats they face. Supporting organizations that work tirelessly to protect these magnificent creatures is another powerful way we can help. These groups conduct vital research, advocate for stronger protections, and work on the ground to save sharks from the many threats they face. Finally, we must remember that this is not just about saving sharks, but about preserving the health of our oceans and, in turn, our planet. Sharks are the guardians of the ocean's health. By protecting them, we are safeguarding our future. In the end, the choice is ours. Will we be the shark's downfall or its salvation? It is a question that echoes from the depths of the ocean, a call to the deep that we must answer. For in our hands lies not just the fate of the sharks, but the fate of our oceans, and ultimately, our world.